Alright, we are going to let some chickens out. Chloe's up here in place, like a good girl. Aren't you, mamas? You stay there. This is the big run with 9. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They've done dug themselves a hole in there, apparently. This is our run with 5 and the rooster, Big Red, or Mr. Roo. Might as well get eggs while we're here. Oh, I gotta squeeze through here. They like to take dust baths right here. Oh, hello. Slipped right off of there. Oh, we got 3. I usually get 3 to 4. I put coffee grounds in here. Let's see if I can carry everything. What are ladies doing? Say hi. There's Cece. Two chubby cheeks. I don't have a name for this other one. Watch out, Cece. Put these down. Chloe's being a good girl. Here's my other Americana. She's beautiful. I want to call her Elvis because she's got that hairstyle in the back where her feathers overlap. Can you see that? All right. Run way back here. So we got 4 eggs total. There's my one. And it's probably from the black one, who we call Pearl. Everybody except for Pearl and one of Rick's. The one over by the door pecking at the bread. Everybody else has just finished going through a pretty substantial molt. Some of them are done quicker, like my 2 older ones. That's Brownie and Big Mama, who's got a poopy butt always, but she's not giving us many eggs. That one's one of Rick's. These 2 had a bad molt where they were almost featherless, but they're coming in beautiful. He's out there shooting his bow. I probably have the sunlight right at the camera there. Anywho, that's it. I'm gonna go take Chloe for a walk. Talk to you later.